Here we go, then. Get $200. $10, 210, 20, 230, 240, 250, 260, 280, 290, 310, 320, 330,
One more time. Speakers out, they can't hear you.
I got 380 right here. Give us just a second. Okay, we're good. I got 380 here. 390. 390. 4. 10. 10. 20. 430. 430. 440. 440. 440. 440. Something 430. That fire number is 224. 224. Okay, we've got a Stevens 410 22 over and under right there. And a nice one. Get $200. That's 2 there. 2 10. That's 210. 10. 20. 40, it's 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, you get 3, you get 10, it's 320, 30, 340, 350, 60, it's 370, 370, 370, it's 360 there, 70 here, 75, 70, 370, 78. Sold it, 360, 229, 229. Remington, short, long, 22, pump. And the stock, as you can see, has had tape put around it, and it does have some movement in it there, so it's going to need a little repair. All right, buy that 22 right there, then even put it on 150. It's 150, about $100. What about 10? What about 10? 10, what about 10? 110. It's 110, about 10. Yeah. 10, 20. What about 30? What about 40? What about 40, 40, 50? It's 150. What about 50? What about 50? What about 150? What about 50? 60. It's 160. What about 80? What about 180? What about 80? What about 90? 192. What about 200? What about 2? That's 10. What about 10? 10, 10. What about 10? That's $100 there. 10, 10, 10. What about 10? What about 10? Sold it. $200. Fire number 213. 213. Hey, look here.
Remington 870.
Remington 870. Pump.
Nice gun.
There's your nice shotgun right there. I'm gonna get $200. That's 2, 40, 50. That's $250. $50. $60. $260. $70. That's $270. $70. $70. $75. $80. That's $290. $10. $20. $30. $40. $50. That's $360. $70. $375. $70. That's $375. $60. $60 there at 70. At 375, 70. Sold it. 360. 214. 214.
Hey, off 6.
30-06 Remington. Wingmaster is up. No, pump. 30-06. Got the clip. Pump. Got the scope. Got it all. Right there. You put it $500. Deer season's coming. $500. $5 here. $5 here. $250. $75. $275. $3 there. $3 quarter. $3 $50. $75. $4 there. $4 there. $4 here. $50. $450. $75. $500. $5. $5 quarter here. $50 there. $5 half here. $75 there. $5. $75. $600. It's 6 quarter there, quarter, half, 50, 6 and a half. It's 6 and a half, 75. It's 675, 7, 7. It's 7 quarter, 7 quarter, 7 quarter, 7 and a half. It's 7 here, 50, 7 here, 7 and a half. Sold it. 725. Fire number is, I missed you, sir. 187. 187. Just gotta be a little quicker.
Yeah, now tell us what that is, big boy.
Yeah.
Lay it right on it.
Is it 10 or 12? 12 gauge, Hunter Arms Company. Double barrel.
Bobby.
It's not a 12 gauge. It's not a 12?
No.
They just fall right in?
It's not, I don't have any idea what it is.
Okay, guys, be your own judge. It's not a 12. You think somebody says he thinks it's a 16.
Somebody said they think it's a 12.
Hey, what you see is what what you get. You get it home?
L.C. Smith. L.C. Smith.
L.C. Smith.
L.C. Smith.
You bet.
It says right here.
And in pretty dang good shape too, you know?
Kid, I got one of those.
My goodness, that was back when dirt was just invented, wasn't it?
That's not what I call it.
Yeah.
Dog Holiday, yeah. Sell the double barrel right there. You put about $200. That two there, put about $2, put about $2, quarter, put about $50, put about $75, put about $3. Hit a quarter, put about $3, quarter, $50, put about $75, put about $4, put about $quarter. Hit quarter, put about $quarter, $50, put about $75, put about $4.75. Hit $4.50, $75, put about $4.75, put about $75, put about $75. Now five quarter, five here quarter, hit 5 and a quarter, put about quarter, put about 5 and a quarter, put about quarter, put about 5 and a quarter, put about quarter, put about quarter. 5, 10, 20, 5, 30, 5, 30, 5, 20, 5, 30. Don't quit me now. Hit 5, 30, 5, 30, put about 5, 20 there, 30 there, put about 30 and a half. Sold it. 5, 20, 65, 65. Hey, I want you to look, right here's the one that looks just almost new. Winchester, model 1300, 12 gauge. There's a nice shotgun right there. Bump. Shoots a 3-inch shell. You can turkey gun with it. Put about 2 quarter. Hit 2 quarter, put about 50, put about 10, 50, put about 75, put about 3, put about quarter, put about 3, 50. Hit 3, 55, put about quarter, half. Hit 3, 55, put about 50, put about 3 up here, put about quarter there, 50 there, put about 75. Hit 3, 75, 4, put about quarter there, put about 50 there, put about quarter here, put about 50. Hit 4, 25, 35. Hit 4, 35, put about that 50, put about that 65, put about 3, 50, 65. Hit 3, 50, 65, put about 55, put about 5. I got 450 here, 460. Sold it, 450, 214, 214. Hey, let's sell it. Look here, pellet gun, BB gun, pistol. It says repeater on it. Got the 45 look to it. Yeah, not two. Sell the pistol right there. Put about 20. That's 25. Put about 20. Put about 20, 20. Put about 5. Sell about 10. 10, 10, 10. Put about 10. Put about 10. 10 here. Put about 10. Put about 10 there. 12 here. Put about 12. Put about 15. 15, 17, 15. 17, 20. Put about 25. Put about 20. Put about 25. Put about 20. So 17 and a half. 38. 32. 32. Bin buys. 32. Hey, Daisy. Daisy. Look here. Got the box, got the book. Sell the Daisy. Pistol. Put about 20. Put about 5. 25, 30. Put about 35. Put about 40. Put about 40, 45. 50. Put about 50. Put about 55 here. Put about 55. Put about 5. 60. Put about 60. Put about 60. Put about 60. 60. Put about 55. 60. So 55. 140. 140. 140. Okay, we are down to BB guns. Hey, firefighter, special edition, Daisy, BB gun, got the box, got the books. That thing, there you go. It's like new right there. Get the box and all. I'm gonna get $25. Good, $25. 30 there, 5, 40, 45 there, 50 there, 5, 55. 60, 65, 70, 70. That's 65 back there and 70 there, 75, 70, 77, 75, 70. Sold $65. That goes to, oh, I should have known, 112. Mr. Firefighter himself, right there. Thank you, thank you. You want it? Thank you. Hey, BB guns, Red Riders. There's the BBs for this one right there. I want to say your choice. Top bidder can take 1 or 2. 1 or 2.
Open it up here. Do you want it?
No, leave them in there. You can put it back. It's in there. Both of them's in there. You can put about a choice of them. You can put about 20. Hit 25. Put about 20. Put about 20. 20. Put about 5, 10, 15, 25. Hit 25. Put about 20 there, 5 there, 30 there. Put about 35. Hit 35. Put about 5. Hit about 40. Put about 40. 40. Put about 45. Put about 40. Put about 35. 45. Put about 45. Put about 40. Sold it. $35 for 181. You want them both? Take that one right there.
This one here.
Hey, where's the backup bidder? No? Sell the other one right here. BBs, BB gun and all. Put them on 10, 15. $15, 20. Put them on 20, 20. Put them on 5 here. Put them on 25. Put them on 5, 5, 35. Put them on 30. Hit 25 up here. 30. Hit 30, 30, 30. Put them on 35, 35, 35. Put them on 25, 35. Put them on 35. Put them on 30. Sold $25 Parker's Way. 007, 007. Before I go to the car, I'm going to say this little dab of shells and so forth right here. I'm going to let you pick out, guys, these boxes filled. Here's a 30 carbine,
They're all 30.
30, they're all 30s. I've got some 30-30s, I believe, some 30-06s. Are they all 30? Yeah, 30-30s. I'm gonna let you pick out the shells that you want. Okay, top bidder can take one or all. You can put them on, get $5, $6. It's $7, put them on, get $8, put them on, $9, put them on, $9, $10, $10, $12. It's $13, put them on, $15, put them on, $15, put them on, $16, put them on, $17, put them on, $17. It's $17, put them on, $17, $18, $18, $19, put them on, $20, put them on, $1, put them on, $2, put them on, $3, put them on, $4, put them on, $5. It's $26, put them on, $7, put them on, $8, put them on, $9. It's $30 there, put them on, $30, $30, put them on, $1, $2, put them on, $2, put them on, $2. It's $33, put them on, $4, put them on, $5, put them on, $36, put them on, $7, put them on, $8. It's $38, put them on, $88, put them on, $88, put them on, $88. So $37, $214. Pick out what you like, sir.